Good morning, children. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do question number 5 from exercise 8.3. First of all, read the question. Fabina borrows rupees 12,500 at 12% per year per annum for 3 years at simple interest. And Radha borrows the same amount for the same period at 10% per annum compounded annually. This also you have to be pay attention here. Compounded annually. Who pays more interest and by how much? So two things you have to concentrate. Fabina borrows rupees 12,500. Radha also the same amount 12,500. But rate percent of Fabina is 12% and for Radha rate percent is 10%. For Fabina it is simple interest. For Radha it is compound interest. Compounded annually. Who pays more interest and by how much? So you have to do the sum in different way. It is first one is for simple interest and second one will be compound interest. So for Fabina simple interest, principal rupees 12,500, rate 12%, time 3 years. First of all, you have to find the simple interest, how much Fabina has to pay. P into R into T by 100. So simple interest, put the value of 12,500, 12 and 3 by 100. Cancel this and you will get the value 125 into 36. Now what will be the value? It will be 4,000 simple interest rupees 4,500. If you multiply, you can see that it will be 4,500. Next, now the second part, Radha has borrows the money in compound interest, principal 12,500, rate 10%, compounded annually also, time 3 years. Use the formula, amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. So you are finding amount here. Afterwards you have to find compound interest. Now principal 12,500 into 1 plus 10 by 100 whole to the power 3 years. So amount is equal to 12,500, 10 cancel. So 10 plus 1 by 10 whole to the power 3. Amount is equal to 12,500 into 11, 10 plus 1, 11 by 10, 3 times. So 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. 1 0 1 0 you can cancel. Now keep this 10 here. It will use for putting decimal. 125 into 11 into 11 into 11, you know, 1331. So the amount equal to rupees. If you multiply these two, you will get. Now 125 into 1331 by 10. When you multiply these two, you will get 166375, and as because of 10 is there, so point you have to place after one place, and it will be actually 50%. Now amount we have find here. Now we have to find the CI. Therefore, compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. So what is the amount? 16,637.50 minus 12,500 subtract it 7,314. So 4,137.50 rupees. Now you compare. For Fabina, simple interest, as interest, Fabina is paying 4,500, and Radha is paying 4,137. So who pays more in money as interest? Yes, it is very clear that Favina is paying more money as interest. So you have to write the answer. Therefore, now Favina pays more in money as interest. So who pays more interest? Favina pays more interest. And by how much? You have to subtract this interest from this interest, this money. So 4,500 minus 4,137.50. And if you subtract it, you will get 362.50. So if you go with this sum step by step, it will be very easy to you, and you need to practice it. Thank you, students.